Okay, so our 3D print has been going for now a total of 43 hours 56 minutes, and it has 1 hour remaining, and it's used 76 meters of filament. I think I set the infill too much, but apart from the infill being too much, I think it's okay. So that's it beavering away, and it's doing a really good job. Really happy with how this is turning out. Absolutely awesome. It's took a while, maybe less infill next time, but I'm quite happy with the build quality. Quite happy. It looks lovely. Looks absolutely awesome. So that's my 3D print build at the moment, and we're going to take a look in a second at the finished article. So see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.